In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide by a one-digit divisor when there are zeros in the quotient. Remember to use the long division steps to help you out. You're going to divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. Start by dividing the greatest place value in the dividend. In this case, it is 1 in the thousands place, and you're going to ask yourself how many times can you split 1 into a group of 5. In this case, you cannot split 1 into groups of 5 because 1 is less than 5. So we're going to take 1 and the 0 in the hundreds place and look at it as 10 hundreds. So we're going to divide 10 hundreds by 5. When you do this, 10 can be divided into groups of 5 2 times, so we're going to place that quotient into the hundreds place of the quotient area. Next, multiply that answer, 2, by the divisor 5 to get 10 and put it under the dividend. Next, subtract 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Compare that answer to the divisor. You want it to be less than the divisor, and 0 is less than 5. Bring down the next digit, which is the 3 from the tens place, and get ready to start all of the steps over again. Now we have 3 tens to divide by 5. 3 cannot split into any groups of 5, so we're going to have 0 groups of 5. We're going to put the 0 in the tens place of the quotient area, and next we're going to multiply that 0 by the divisor 5 to get 0. Subtract 3 minus 0 equals 3, and compare that answer to the divisor. 3 is less than 5, so we can move on to the next step, and now we will bring down the 5 in the ones place. We'll start the steps over again by dividing 35 by 5. 35 can split into 7 groups of 5, so put the 7 in the ones digit of the quotient area. Next, multiply the 7 by 5 to get 35. Subtract to get 0. Compare 0 to the divisor. 0 is less than 5, so you've divided it up enough times. And there are no more digits to bring down, so the final answer is 207.